We're going to take a look at the Columbia River knife and tool Mah-Chete. It was designed by Liong Mah, and that's kind of why it's called the Mah-Chete. Comes with a pretty nice reinforced nylon sheath. It has an insert on the inside to reinforce it. The overall length of the Mah-Chete is 17.4 inches. The cat's trying to get in on the action. The blade length is 12 inches. Very nice machete chopper. It weighs 1 pound 3 ounces, just slightly over 1 pound 3 ounces. It has a very unique hammered steel here. The steel is 1075 carbon steel. 1075 carbon steel. It has a full tang, of course. The tang actually comes out the bottom here. The handle is a two-piece handle. It is riveted. Handle is walnut. The wood is walnut for the handle. It has 3 lanyard holes. I don't know if you could read that or not, but it says Mah-Chete. And then got the CRKT logo over on this side. I would say it's very high quality. Decent weight to it. Be a nice machete or chopper. The carbon steel on the blade was has a hammered forged finish. Upswept handle. I would definitely say high quality. I'll put a link down in the description. Amazon link. That's where I bought this from. It was off Amazon. Like I said, it was designed by Liong Mah. That's why they named it the Mah-Chete. I would say an excellent machete slash chopper. Like I said, 12-inch blade, 17.4 inches overall, weighs 1 pound 3 ounces, walnut handle, 3 lanyard holes. The Columbia River knife and tool Mah-Chete. Decent weight to it. You can get a good grip on that handle. Like I said, walnut handle. Quality. Very good quality. The Columbia River knife and tool Mah-Chete. The sheath that it comes with, nylon reinforced sheath. It has a paracord. You could actually, here's your belt loop here, and you could actually well, you could use this paracord for anything, but you could tie it around your leg. The Columbia River knife and tool Mah-Chete. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think.